Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on Quickbooks. So open up the app. So you want to go to today, right at the bottom where it says today, click on that. Then at the top where it says quick actions, go to invoice, click on invoice. And then here you're going to need a customer, right? You want to put in all the customers' information. I'm just put some random stuff. Put in their email, phone number, fax number, address, shipping address, everything, right? So, and then you wanna assign it, and then you wanna put in your invoice information, like when it's due, the date, the term, and you could also add messages if you wanted to. You need to add your product or a service, and then you want to press save. Okay, it'll either say save or send and save. This is gonna instantly send out the email or like message to your customer, and it's gonna tell them that you sent the invoice. All right, it's an error because I didn't put any product or anything. All right, so yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.